Hey guys, welcome back to another video of me doing stuff. It's been a while. Where have you guys been? I guess I did stop posting for 3 months, huh? School got really busy and I literally just could not keep up with the editing, so I just had to stop it completely. Although I do have a lot of footage that I can go through and edit, so maybe you possibly be seeing that sooner rather than later. But here we are now. In February, I turned 21, and as I was getting ready to go out for the very first time and fulfill my constitutional amendment of I know there's a joke in there somewhere. I realized that I didn't have a lot of going out clothes. Literally last year, all I did was make super beautiful floor-length ball gowns, and I didn't even think to make little short mini dresses just to wear out to go have fun, you know what I mean? So that's what we're doing today. I'm going to be making 3 outfits to go out in because this Friday, my cousin is having a birthday party and we're gonna turn up. So I need something real cute. So stay tuned till the end to find out which outfit I end up wearing to the function. Without further ado, let's get into it. The first outfit I decided was going to be a mini skirt and a cute top. I wanted to make the mini skirt a sharp contrast in color to the top that I decided would be cheetah print. I've seen this bubble design on Pinterest before, so I was super excited to try and recreate it. I don't have my microphone right now, so sorry about the audio quality, but I just wanted to show you the progress I'm at. Here is the top of the skirt, and then here's the actual bubble skirt. It looks really good, like a cloud. It really does look really, really good. I'm very proud of myself. But I just have to put the two together, and it'll be complete. And it's super, professional, in my opinion. Look at that bubbliness. What I did was so I had 2 different panels, and on each side what's it called? You know, did the thing. Anyways, I did that thing to both sides where I scrunched the fabric up and then sewed bad sides together, or good sides together on one side, and then bad sides together on the other side. This is the part that's gonna go in here, so it'll be covered. So let's get to that. Okay guys, here's day 1, outfit number 1 reveal. Ta-da! I like it. It's very, very cute. To be honest with you, the top is not super finished. I still have to do the raw edges for the little ruffles. But the top is very cute. I feel like it's not my best work professionally, just because there's this white that's poking out here. I didn't know that the fabric it wasn't the same all around. So I don't know. I think that I need to sew this down, so that the white doesn't flap up. But the skirt is so cute. And I want to say that I created this design myself, but I've definitely seen it somewhere on Pinterest. I just cannot remember where. Yeah, this is so cute. The only thing is, this is kind of a little bit big, to be honest. So I'll either I don't know if I want to fix it because, weight fluctuates and stuff. It's not a huge deal to have some extra room just in case, or I was thinking about putting a hook and knot. Okay, well, my camera cut off. But I was thinking about putting a hook and eye between where the zipper is so that I can just hook it and then it can be a little bit tighter. But yeah, that is outfit number 1. I don't think though that it is good enough for the club. This is very much like cute brunch, lunch, take pictures type thing. This is not like a night out outfit. Still super cute, very cute idea, but not night out. So we're gonna move on to the next design and see if that one's a little bit better. So I went to the fabric store and I bought this very stretchy lace fabric because I decided for my next project I really would like to do some sheer mini dress. I really liked what I made last year when I went to Spain, and that was this kind of a knit lace combo dress, but it was really long. Now, I don't like to go through and like mess up my past projects. I like to keep them how it was. It's like preserving history, you know? So I was like, okay, let me try and recreate it. So I decided to get a black lace fabric and try and do that. And then also like all these pictures inspired me as well. Obviously from Pinterest. I love you, Pinterest. And yeah, this one won't take long at all. Yeah, I'll be over in like 2 seconds.
Archive needs to be migrated over to a book about how largely older literature.
Okay, this literally took like 5 minutes to sew together, and this looks so good. Like, I have to cover my chest because it's a very much see-through. But my idea with this one was I wanted the back to be out, and then I had also bought some ribbon. I bought this pink ribbon and I also bought a black ribbon because I wasn't sure which one I wanted to do. I wanted to put ribbon on the raw edges, and the pink ribbon would be really cute. I think I'm still going to do that, but I really don't mind how it looks right now. And I don't think I want to cut out the back now, just because like it just looks so good already, you know? This one is very scandalous though. I don't know if I'll be able to wear this on Friday, just cause it's very see-through, very much. My idea also was to buy a black bra and then black panties and then just wear that underneath, and it looked cute. It kind of looked like this Pinterest thing, you know, and it's short. Oh, it's so cute. It's mini, and also I tried it on with a pair of jeans. Ah, it looks so freaking good. I love this. I love this a lot. Okay, so I'm just going to put ribbon on all the raw edges of this dress, and then we'll see how I'm feeling. Honestly, I don't know if I'll wear this one. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, I will say the arms are a little tight. I know I'd get hot and sweaty. Oh well. So, I finally finished cutting everything out for my last project that I'm gonna do. I don't know why, but I literally like could not visualize like how the pattern should look. I knew that it was definitely a gathering technique that you had to use, and like in the middle of the dress, in the middle of the skirt of the dress, there's like an elastic there to like hold it together. So I knew it had to be a little bit long on the skirt. And then also on each strap for the bodice, I knew it had to be like extra fabric there as well. I don't know, I'm kind of playing around with this. It might work, it might not. And just to let you know, I think I bought 2.5 yards and I used all of it. Yeah, so each piece, let me get my paper 1 second. So there is 3 main pieces, and for this, and you want to cut out 4 of them. 4 of each of these. Okay, because you want it on each side, and then you also want to double it because it'll just look nice that way. And yeah, so it's a lot of gathering and elastic. I don't know, like I said, I have it in my head, I just cannot. Okay, I am super close to finishing the dress. All I have to do is finish off the ends. You see, when you make something and you want it to look very professional, what you should do is you should first of all, you should have a lining, the inside of the dress, so that the inside and the outside could cover up your sewing and everything like that. So that's what I've done here. So you can see there is the lining and then there's the actual outside of the dress. So I've sewn everything on the inside. Now all I have to do is the bottom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to it's going to look a little weird, but I need to sew the bottom on the inside and then leave a little bit of a hole so that I can bring the whole dress inside out and finish it off. Kind of hard to explain, but seeing is believing. So. Okay guys, this is the moment of truth to see what I am going to wear tomorrow. Now, I've been working on this project for, a couple hours now, and I'm finally done. Everything's good, hopefully. And this is what we're working with. I feel that it doesn't really suit me the way I would want to be suited. I feel like it just doesn't. I think I did a good job on the project. Let me say that. I think I did a really good job, but it doesn't suit my body type, I feel. I feel like I need to be a little bit more curvy to show this off, you know? Like, I just look straight, like a refrigerator, you know? But I like the back. It's cute, you know? In the actual original design, there is like a zipper and a back. And yeah, it's just not super figure hugging, and I need something that, you know, because I'm more of a refrigerator build, okay? I need something that'll suck in my waist like as much as possible. And this is giving refrigerator. It's giving refrigerator, indeed. I think I will probably give this away to one of my more curvy friends because it's not giving. It's not giving. If I do this though, it could look all right. This looks all right. It's not the best, but I think I like something that goes over my shoulders at this angle rather than up to my neck at my neck angle, if that makes sense. Yeah, this is one solution I thought of. Another solution is I could like sew this part to the back of the skirt so that it give me a little bit more of a figure, but it's not working for me. So I did that means I did 4 projects this week? 4 in a week. I usually do 1 in a week. So I really like put my back into this for real. Because I wanted options. I wanted to be like, let me see what I can do. I guess we'll see tomorrow. Because this is all I got. Time to get ready. Ah! Can I say? September. Oh my. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh.